How to fix login error on Smashburger application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a better network. And by doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you are still facing any kinds of login errors, you can simply go to your settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Smashburger application. There's our application. Simply tap on Smashburger and tap on Offload app. Offload app again and simply tap on Reinstall application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open into the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems while logging in. However, if you do face any kinds of problem after this, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.